How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you.
So how are you? What's your name?
My name is Ramesh.
What's your name?
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo. Where do you live? How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
How old are you?
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. Do you go to school? Who's your best friend?
It's Kavish.
Who's your best friend?
What do you like to do?
I like to play. What do you like to do? What's the name of your country?
It's Sri Lanka.
What's the name of your country? What do you like to eat?
I like to eat cake.
What do you like to eat?
What do you like to drink?
I like to drink milkshake. What do you like to drink? How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
How many members are there in your family? Who are they?
They are father, mother, sister and myself.
Who are they? What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Anoma.
What's your mother's name?
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mahesh. What's your father's name? Sacharan, y'all can learn many more dialogues later on.